Alright, we're here to check out the loft nearby the container, but it's also for rent. Here's the inside. They have equipments that your family can use. Billiards, big kitchen. Oh my god, ganda guys. Hanggang 12. Oo, hanggang 12 daw pwede. Ang laki niya. Very spacious for big family. And now we're gonna check out what's up there. Maganda rin pala to. Nice. It's nice. Lawak. Uy, may access sa kabila. Hi, kuya! Oh my God, this is so nice. Pwedeng pang barkada. Pwedeng pang family. Yeah. Pwede to sa barcodes, anak. Tapos malapit lang. Hindi siya malayo. With the kids. Pak, ganun guys. Check out the loft in Mendez, Tagaytay. Ito naman, meron silang mini pool, guys. Deep. Oh, magdi-dip-dip ka lang dyan. Factor. Solved na.